about 42.98, so really about 43. And the reason I got this one is if you look in here, here, and here, that's going to be a critical level. So anything from here to here you could collect, but it is going to be a little bit more dangerous until you're above 43. That's going to be your VQS. Same thing here though with MRKR. You can already see we've got a triple top here in the pre-market. It's already at the triple top now. As long as it stays above VWAP, breaks this 1943, you're going to have a move back up here to 2. As you guys know, 2 is going to be your natural resistance because it's a whole number. So if, big if, but if, put this on your chart, if MRKR can break $2, you should have a nice run on that, okay? We'll see what it does. Just needs volume. It's already up 42%. It's very cheap. It's a penny stock, meaning anything under $5. You could have something really nice there today.